Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. So unfortunately, I have another recall to tell you guys about. And this is exactly why, if you're in the market for a vehicle, you might want to hold off buying any new vehicle, because it seems like these recalls happen every single week and they're different manufacturers too. So it's not just kind of geared to one manufacturer, it kind of affects all of them. So let's take a look exactly what manufacturer has a big recall now. Like I said, it seems like every week there's a different car manufacturer having a recall. Before, it was just a few of the kind of odd manufacturers, if you'd say. But now, across the board, it doesn't really matter what you're driving, there's more than likely a recall on it. And this is kind of goes to say, if you have an older vehicle and it's treating you great, I would be hard pressed to trade it in and get a new vehicle, because they have a lot more issues, that's for sure. So this brand new one that just came out yesterday, actually, it affects over 100,000 Kia vehicles. And you know, Kias have become really popular. They're built a lot better than they used to be. And you just see a lot of them around. And this particular one, it affects the Kia K5 sedan. And it involves the 2023 to 2025 model years. So again, brand new vehicles, you know, a couple years old to current, they're having issues with these. A lot of it is they're just slapping them together, especially this one. This one's kind of a funny one. So they're being recalled because the exterior molding can just fall off while you're driving. A lot of times you think of safety recalls being some massive thing. Well, this one, the moldings can actually just fall off as you're going down the freeway. And it only affects the left and right rear window trim pieces. So not the front ones, but just the rear doors on both sides, left and right. The trim that goes around the window, they say, was not attached properly and can just fall off while you're driving. So these recalls are really getting where they're just falling apart. I mean, back in the day, you would never think of vehicles, especially 100,000 of these, it's not just a couple, where the trim will just fall off driving on the road on brand new vehicles. It just shows that cars nowadays, they're just slapped together, and the bad thing about it is the price doesn't really reflect that, because they're the most expensive they've ever been. Payments are the most expensive they've ever been because of that, and you're getting a subpar product. And like I said, it doesn't really matter what you're driving. There's got to be major recalls on them. Just know it's across the board, so don't get discouraged. Get it taken care of course, and hopefully it's not as many as some other manufacturers. And Kia is telling people that you should look for loose trim around the rear outside windows and make any note of rattling or wind noise while you're driving. And then owners of the affected vehicles will be contacted by the dealer, and then the dealer will inspect it and replace all the window trim, of course free of charge. And then you can also call Kia's customer service line or the NHTSA hotline, and they'll ask for your VIN, and then they can tell you right now if yours is one that's affected, so you can just call, make an appointment to have it fixed. And I'll put all those numbers in the description as well, so you guys can find them. Again, I just want to bring this to your attention because I know a lot of people have different vehicles and Hondas and Acuras, and I want you guys to make sure your car's running smooth like it's supposed to. And if there's a problem like this, just get it taken care of right away so you don't have any issues down the road. So I hope everyone's doing good. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you as always. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.